Hello, this is Norma and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new, I hope you stick around. And please go back to my older videos. I got over 400 videos and I'm sure you will find something that you like so you can know about my channel. And to all my returning subscribers, you guys know that I love you. So I've been waiting. I had ordered some items online and I was waiting for my packages to come, and it came, but one of my friends was going to Abidjan. It's the Ivory Coast in West Africa, for people who don't know about Africa, and she was going for vacation. So she told me she was gonna buy she asked me what I wanted, and I told her I wanted a gown. So she bought it. She's back in the US and she shipped it to me. It got here on Monday. I called to say thanks, but I didn't open it. I told her I want to do an unboxing. So I'm going to do it with two other packages that came. I ordered a lot of things, so I don't know in the two packages that came what's in there, but we'll find out together. So I came to Costco, my usual run, to pick up some stuff. So I'm going to pick it up and then go home and we're going to do that unboxing together. I'm gonna get one of the Considine toothpaste. It's a pack of 4. That's what my dentist recommended. I got some almonds. So I'm gonna get this. The last thing I'm getting is corned beef. Every time I want to do a quick meal, so I ended up getting more things. I got chicken melt, tissue, take away bowl.
Thank you, ma'am. It'll just be a moment. Back middle right, ma'am. Thank you for waiting.
So I decided to get a hot dog and a Pepsi before I go home. And I don't have to cook anything. I made it home after all my shopping, so I'm about to do my unboxing. This is the first one. This is the one that has the gown in it, and I'm excited to see what it looks like. And these are the 2 packages I ordered them. So this is 1 and this is 2. So the gown, I'm gonna do the gown last. So let's open this first one and see what's in there. So let me take my knife and open it up. I have to keep it on the other side so you don't see my address. One, two, three. Let me see what else is in here. I have 4. Let me see. I think there's something else in there. No, it's just, that's from Shein. It just has the Shein. Stuff in there. So let me open the first one. Okay, I got this gown and it's tight. It's not a loose fitting one. So I got this shaper. It's a body shaper. This is what the front looks like. And it goes all the way down. And because it's for a long dress, the back has a slit right here. Because if they didn't open it up, you won't be able to walk in it. I had different colors for 3 years. And I got rid of it, so I just got some new shapers. So I got this color. Got this other color when I wear light. So this one has straps right here, and this other one didn't have any straps. When I wear something that's off the shoulder, I can use the one without strap. Another body shaper. Got it long because it's for my long dresses and my long gown, and it should be able to stretch out. Let me see what's in the other package. When I ordered it, then I realized that I had gotten 2 black without sleeves. I wanted only one. Anyway, I'll give this away because I don't need 2 of them. And let me see what's in there. I wanted one that I could wear without. Okay, this one has a strap. So you got 2 of them, 2 black ones without straps, and that's the one I'm gonna give one out. So let me open the other package and see what's inside. Okay, it's time to open the second package. So I've got 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let me open it and show you what's inside. This is a dress, and it's half sleeve. So you see it comes down like this, and it's very, very long. first dress that's in there. I couldn't tell my size. I've ordered stuff on Shein and it came and it was too tight. So then I got a little bit bigger. And I think I did a good job. I think this one would fit. So this is a dress with half sleeves. And it's very long. All the way to the bottom. I think when I show you everything, I'm gonna stand up and show you the length. So that's one of the dresses. And it's very vibrant. That's how I wanted the colors to be. This one, it just has elastic to the top. And this is the sleeves that you tie. I will soon be going on vacation, so I wanted some light things to wear. This is the second one. And this is another one with different colors. Yeah, the first one I showed you had a lot of red, and this one has a lot of green. So this is it. And I've had all those beautiful flats that I had showed you. So the last one is that gown that I want to see what it looks like. Let me open it up. You sealed it well. Okay, I have it open. And let me take it out. I love the color. It's lace. Beautiful. Almost like the other one that I wore when I went to the wedding. See how beautiful it is? And I think this is a slip that goes under it. So let me stand up and show you the full length of the dresses and the gown. I love it. Though I called her and said thanks, I'm gonna call again and tell her thanks again and send her some kisses after I get off this live. So this is the gown. The front is like this, and the back comes up. And this is the sleeves. So the sleeves has this right here, this lace, and then a different color on it. So you see on both sides. The back. And this is the length. I'm very tall, so that is great. I'm gonna find a gold color slippers and bag when I wear this. Let me show you the slip. So this is the slip that goes under. It's not as long as the dress, but that's fine. It has a hair tie. More than likely, I'm not going to be wearing it. It's on one side. So let me show you the dresses. So the first one is the orange one that I showed you. See, it has elastic, and it's off the sleeves. See how long it is. I have some pretty slippers I'm gonna be wearing with it. And there's elastic in one arm. So the front and the back has elastic. That's the first one. And this dress is from Shein. And they have pockets. It is the pocket very deep. And this is how long it is. I wanted it loose. I didn't want it tight on. So this should be good. So this was the first color. This one has elastic. So it's not as long as the other one. And this is the sleeves, where I can tie it on the side. It has some little ruffles on the bottom. And this is the color of the other dress. I love it. I have all of these funky colors. I have slippers to match them. So when I wear it, I will have lots of fun. So these are all the things that I unboxed. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification button so each time I upload, you will be notified. Bye-bye.